It is currently 7 o'clock. I just got out of work. I gotta say a statement that probably not a lot of people say, but I have got to go to the bus station to get some car parts. And I know that sounds weird, so I'm gonna throw in my bag here. I'll give you a quick overview of my car. This is my 2015 Mustang GT Premium Performance Pack. Looks pretty good. It's on some wheels, 20 by 8.5 front, 20 by 10 in the rear, and on some Michelin Pilot Super Sports 285s back here, and 255s up front, so nothing too wide. So I'm heading off here, headed to the Greyhound bus station in downtown Richmond, Virginia. We're going to pick up some car parts from my Mustang here, and we're hopefully going to install them tomorrow at a buddy's shop, get it on the lift, and get it installed. So here we go. So I figured while I had a 30-minute commute to this bus station that I would kind of give you guys a background on my car here. Like I said, this is a 2015 Mustang GT. It is in race red. It's got some custom vinyl graphics on it. It's got my own piece together exhaust on it. Sounds pretty good. It's a 6-speed manual. Like I said, 401A, so I got them booty warmers. I got the booty coolers too. You know, I started life with my Mustang life with a 2-valve Mustang, and I moved to a 2018 Mustang, and now I am in this 15, and that's an interesting story that'll be for another video. We're going to continue on here, make our way to the bus station to get a really large package for this car. So let's go. So I've got to move all this stuff out of the way to the corner here. Grab the seat forward. In case anybody didn't know, to put the Mustang seats back, there's a little tab right here. Pull the tab. Voila, there's your trunk. Same thing with the other side. You just pull the seat forward, reach in here. There's a tab up here. You pull it. Boom. Who said a Mustang isn't practical? Just now leaving the bus station. Got car parts in there. You probably tell what it is at this point. Time to get on the road. Alright, so I made it to Jose's shop. We got the Torch GT here. So say what's up, Jose.
What's up, Jose?
I gotta get the Corsas out of the trunk here, and then we're gonna get started on putting this thing on. He's checking out the engine bay up front because he's gonna get a Mustang here soon. He's catching the bug. We'll have to show you his car though. His car is really cool. It's actually faster than this car. Actually, it's really cool. Oh. Oh yeah. Looking good, Jose. All right.
On the lock, safety first, kids.
There you go. So here's the exhaust. We got the double helix X pipe, and I guess the 2 axle backs here, and then the tips. So this should be pretty straightforward. We're just gonna unbolt from here, and then here, and here. And since the guy left us the hangers, we can just take out the hangers. You don't have to worry about And the hanger's out.
Now, why do they call this an H-pipe?
Right here.
That sounds so good.
Does it? Look, he's got the fever. What's up, bro? What?
I'm gonna go down here, guys.
Okay.
I know. Yeah, that's huge, right?
What's going on?
Yeah, there we go. Get that macro lens going.
Yeah. Is this where you put the love music? Or better be porno music. Yeah, hold that in for him.
Break it. Break it. That's how we do around here now.
Smacked it.
Oh, yo, this is ground down. What happened?
I don't know. Whoa. He had it face down and he scraped. Like this one right here.
Yeah.
He had it face down instead of up.
It's gonna be up when we tighten it.
I know, but that's what I'm saying happened to that one. Ground down. Damn thing is slow. Dude, the amount of mosquitoes out here. Oh my god, that sounds amazing.
My neighbors, man.
God, that sounds so good. Oh. Oh my god.
I'm gonna do a lap. Sounds good when he takes it easy.
Dude.
Sounds really good when he gets on it.
We knocked the camera down, but that was awesome. It sounds amazing. I'm getting onto the part of my commute where kind of just sit it in 5th or 6th gear. We go 60 miles an hour down the road, straight shot to work. And this is where my previous exhaust would drone quite a bit. But with this, I'm just dropping into 6th gear and I don't even hear anything. The Corsas here, they sound more exotic. It's like a more exotic sound. With the double X pipe, you get more of like the high pitch tones that you do the lower rumble, but that produces less drone. But I mean, it still sounds incredible. get in trouble. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the install. It was a lot of fun. Special thanks to Jose for helping me use his shop, my brother for helping me out getting it installed. As you can see, the car is looking great behind me, and now it's sounding great too. I don't know who's going to make the next video, but we'll hopefully have one video a week for you guys. Probably every Wednesday. I don't know. We're just starting, so who knows what it's going to be. Until next time, have a good one.